Hello beautiful family, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to teach you the tips and tricks of a perfect crisp and fluffy waffle recipe. Yes, making of waffle are so easy and simple. In fact, I've never seen a healthy perfect breakfast just as waffle. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so, and also hit the like button as well to support us. Thank you. The ingredients we have for today's waffles recipe are here on the countertop, and we got 2 cups of all-purpose flour, which is about 250 grams, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, salt to your taste, 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can use less or more, there's no problem about that, 2 eggs, and it should be room temperature, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extra, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, which is about 30 grams, and lastly 2 cups of milk, which should be about 450 ml. Yeah, so let's get started. In a clean large bowl, just like so, I'll add and whisk all the dry ingredients, which is all-purpose flour, which is this one, baking powder, salt, and sugar. After which I will whisk all the dry ingredients and set them aside. Remember that all these recipes has been measured and set aside. Please do check the measurement of all the recipes I'm going to use down in the description box. Thank you. This is done and I will set it aside. Before we start going ahead, let's preheat our waffle machine or iron, whichever one you know it with. Okay, the machine needs to be ready before any other thing, so let's get started. Next is to mix our wet ingredients, which is egg. This egg has been washed, all right, so don't bother about any dirt. Vanilla extra, melted butter, whisk to combine, beat it and beat it and beat it very well. After well combined, I will now add the milk, and I will be adding it gradually, and here it is. Meanwhile, once the wet ingredients are well combined, I will then add the flour mixture gradually and mix until well combined. As you can see, the batter is well mixed, and I like this consistency so much, and this is the best consistency when it comes to your waffle. The batter is not runny at all. For that reason, your waffle will come out so perfect and delicious. Yeah, waffle machine is preheated. Add as much as your waffle machine can contain, or little as it can contain at a go. Don't add much so that it will not spread everywhere. And then cover. Pour butter as little or much your waffle machine can contain at a go at one side of the iron, and cover or close. Bake until the iron indicator light shows that the baking is done and that the waffles are golden brown and crisp. Once that is done, serve with any fruit of your choice, or honey, or even butter, and that is it. Wow, this is ready. The steam coming out from the waffle machine is amazing, and the flavor of the vanilla is so amazing. So this is ready. Let's remove it. I like the color. Wow. Ready. I will set it on a rack and allow it to cool down small, so that the tricks and tips of a crisp and fluffy waffle is to set it on a rack after making it, so that that crispiness will come out well. Okay, if you add it in the plates once after making it, it will not come out as nice as expected. So we'll allow it to cool down here while we go for the next one. and the second batch is as good as ready. I will also remove it from the heat, and I will repeat the process until I am done, and when I'm done I will sure get back to you. We are done, and this is so beautiful. My children are already here waiting to demolish it, but if in case yours remain after making it, please, it is never a waste. Put it in your refrigerator and toast it the next morning as a perfect healthy breakfast. Okay, and this is where we are going to draw the curtain of today's video waffle recipe. Please do like this video, share and subscribe with your bell on to be notified anytime we upload a new video. From me and all my crew, thank you so much for watching. Always remain blessed, and we will see you in our next one. Bye bye.